Welcome to Product Critique, where we dig deep, test hard, and help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we've got something sweet, quite literally. Introducing the best gummy trays you'll ever need, the Wartime Gummy Bear Candy Molds Silicone Set. These molds are not just another set of silicone trays. They're an all-in-one solution for fun and functional treat making, designed with thoughtful details and a colorful aesthetic. Let's dive in. In this set, you're getting 4 distinct mini silicone molds, each with its own playful design. A bear shape, a mini dinosaur, hearts, and mini donuts. That's a total of 201 individual cavities, giving you plenty of room to unleash your creativity whether you're crafting gummies, chocolates, or even DIY bath treats. These are definitely mini in size, so be ready for adorable, bite-sized results. Perfect for kids' snacks or portion-controlled treats. But don't let their small size fool you. They pack a punch in personality and precision. The detail in each shape really stands out once your candies pop out. Along with the molds, you'll receive 2 droppers, which makes filling those tiny cavities a breeze. No mess, no stress. It's super helpful when working with liquid candy mixtures or melted chocolate. Even little hands can help, making this an ideal project to do with children. Now, let's talk about the material. These are made from 100% food-grade silicone and they're BPA-free. Safe, flexible, and most importantly, non-stick. That means you won't be wrestling with your candy. Just a gentle push from the bottom and your treats pop right out. No greasing, no breaking. And yes, they're truly multi-purpose. These molds are heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius and freezer-safe down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. That gives you freedom to bake, freeze, refrigerate, or even microwave. Think jellies, hard candies, ice cubes, fudge, or even fun-shaped crayons. It's not just for gummies. Cleaning is as easy as you'd hope. Just toss them into the dishwasher, no scrubbing necessary. And if you're hand washing, a little soap and warm water will do the job just fine. They retain their shape and vibrant colors even after multiple uses. This set turns your kitchen into a creativity hub. Whether you're making gifts, party treats, or just want to spend quality time with your kids, these molds are a joy to use. Their bright colors and charming designs make the whole experience even more fun. So, if you're looking for the best gummy trays that combine fun, quality, and versatility, the Wartime Silicone Gummy Bear Candy Mold Set is a winner. This isn't just another kitchen tool, it's a way to turn everyday ingredients into something magical. That's it for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on reviews and product insights. See you in the next one.